My first favorite part was the bounce house, and my second favorite was that we made like a picture frame or something. My name is Mila Eisen, and I'm a YMCA camper.
Today, we've partnered with the YMCA of Metro Atlanta to host over 40 student campers at our office at 1MB in partnership with Safe Kids Worldwide to have a day at Camp MBUSA.
Good morning and welcome to camp. It's going to be a great day today.
The campers are so excited right now. This is the only field trip that this group of kids gets to take off property for the entire summer. And being honest, a visit from Atlanta running back Bijan Robinson's fueling that excitement for the campers today as well.
He spent some time teaching the kids how to stay safe this summer, and he even had some stiff competition with some of those kids on the passing game competition.
Today I was part of the Spirit Squad for the yellow team. The first station was through the bicycles and the scooters. They learned how to navigate and understand the crosswalks, how to stop and signal.
I like the bike rodeo because I ride in a scooter. I wanted to go 1,000 times.
The second station was the helmets station, learning how it needs to fit the right way. The third station was car seat safety. And the final one was water safety.
I learned to put on a life vest and make sure it fits you correctly and buckle it up and zip it up all the way.
Field day activities were so fun. They did tug of war and they did the sack race and they had a huge bouncy house. And of course, they got to have their popsicles.
What would I say to them? I would say thank you for being a really nice volunteer. I appreciate the help. They're skipping a day of their job just to play with us. They don't have to do that. They chose to.
Today, we partnered with the YMCA of Metro Atlanta and Safe Kids Worldwide because we are united in a common mission to empower the next generation and keep them safe.
Our mission at Safe Kids is to protect and prevent unintentional injuries to children. And MBUSA's Driving Your Future program has allowed us to do just that.
You know, what we do at the end of the day is sell cars. When we do sell a car, it helps to do things like this.
Camp is really about the relationships. It's the people that pour into them. The kids leave camp and don't love camp because it's the greatest facilities or the nicest programs. They leave camp because someone invested in them. So having camp, whether it's here at Mercedes-Benz or on a beautiful lakefront property, is more impactful than we'll ever know.
I was right to say, hi, I'm Jonathan. I want to thank you for the Mercedes-Benz. Love, Jonathan.